Welcome. In front of me is an LG K52, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, we will need to open up the Files app, which will be located in the Google folder. Once you find it, open it up, and from there at the bottom you should see your two storages. The internal, which is the phone itself, and then below that is the SD card. So I'm gonna start with the internal storage, where you will see a bunch of folders. Now, majority of them will be basically useless and not concern most of you. The ones that are important are the folders like the DCIM right over here, which will contain pictures and videos captured with the device itself. Then if we go back, we do have also the download folder, which contains anything that you have downloaded on this device, either through a web browser, email. It all gets downloaded to this folder right here. And then we also have a pictures folder, which most of the time contains screenshots. And the rest of the folders are primarily empty, assuming you haven't downloaded some kind of app from a Play Store that will save directly to a specific folder. So once you find your files, which I'm going to use photos as an example, so I have a couple here as you can see. So once you find your files, you want to select them, and you do it by simply holding the first file like so. As you can see, it gets selected, has this check mark right over here, and then you can tap on additional ones to select more. And you can select either this way. Now if you have a folder full of photos, you could just kind of, for instance, select all by tapping right over here, which is the three dots. Or you can keep it organized and, for instance, select the folder itself. So as you can see, the camera folder, select, and this will also include everything that is inside of that folder, which is 3 photos for me. But if you have more, it basically includes everything that is there. Whichever way you prefer to select it, it's completely up to you. Once it is, what you want to do is now tap again on the 3 dots, and you will see that you have 2 options. So you can move to or copy to. Depending which option you will choose, it will change a little bit. So if you select, for instance, move to, it will completely remove the files from where they are right now and move to the new location of your choice, while copy will basically do the same thing as move without actually removing the files from where they are right now. It will create duplicates. So I'm gonna go with move as an example. And once you selected one of those options, it will bring up this window right over here. So you want to select where you want to move it to or copy to. And you have option to move it somewhere else on your phone or move it directly to the SD card. Now, just to keep it different, I'm gonna go to the SD card here, and it will open up the SD and all the content that is on it. So from here, I could just drop it wherever I want, either right in the middle of the SD card, or I can tap on a specific folder, and from there, basically tap on move here. Now, I'm not really gonna be bothering with organizing it, so just tap move here, continue, and allow access, allow, there we go. This will begin moving it, and as you can see from the internal storage DCIM folder, the camera folder is now gone. So we can go to the SD right over here, and we should see a camera folder right here, and inside of it you should see the 3 photos, and there they are. And that is basically how you move files from one location to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.